Essential components of a quality management system. Understanding the essential components of a quality management system, QMS. In every industry, quality is not just a buzzword, it's the bedrock of long term success. A well structured quality management system, QMS, ensures that your products and services meet customer expectations and comply with relevant regulations. But what exactly goes into a quality management system? Understanding the key components can help organizations create a framework that not only ensures quality but also drives continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. A quality management system is more than just a collection of guidelines, it's a dynamic system that integrates various aspects of an organization's operations, from process management.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
Management to risk assessment. Each component of quality management system is vital in maintaining high standards and fostering an environment where quality is a top priority. When effectively implemented, a QMS becomes a powerful tool that supports the organization's goals and enhances its competitive edge. Let's break down the essential components of a quality management system and explore how they contribute to maintaining and improving quality across the board. Key components of an effective quality management system. Building a strong quality management system, QMS, requires focusing on several essential components. Here's a breakdown of the key elements that help maintain high standards, keep customers happy, and drive ongoing improvement within an organization. 1. Quality policy and objectives. At the heart of a quality management system is the quality policy, a formal statement from management that defines the organization's commitment to quality. This policy is not just lip service, it sets the stage for everything else, outlining the quality objectives that the organization aims to achieve. These objectives should be measurable, aligned with customer needs, and reflect the company's commitment to continuous improvement. 2. Document control. From policies and procedures to records and work instructions, document control ensures that all information is accurate, accessible, and up to date. Imagine trying to build a house with outdated blueprints, it would be a disaster. The same goes for managing quality. A robust document control system helps avoid confusion, ensures consistency, and supports compliance with standards like ISO 9001. 3. Process management. Processes are how work gets done. In a quality management system, every process should be defined, controlled, and monitored to ensure it contributes to the overall quality goals. This covers every aspect, from the creation of the product to its distribution and all points in between. By standardizing processes, organizations can reduce variability, improve efficiency, and ensure consistent quality outcomes. 4. Risk management. The key to risk management is to avoid being reactive and instead be proactive. A quality management system should contain a systematic method for detecting, analyzing, and eliminating risks that potentially affect quality. Whether it is a potential supplier issue, a production bottleneck, or a new regulatory requirement, managing risks effectively helps avoid surprises and keeps the organization on track to meet its quality goals. 5. Corrective and preventive actions, CAPA. No system is perfect, and when things go wrong, it is important to have a plan in place to address them. Corrective and preventive actions, CAPA, are essential components of a quality management system that focus on identifying the root causes of problems and preventing their recurrence. CAPA is not just about fixing what's broken, it is about learning from mistakes and improving processes to avoid future issues. 6. Internal audits. Internal audits are the checkups of a quality management system. They involve reviewing and evaluating the system to ensure that it is effective and compliant with standards. Think of it like a routine health check for your organization. Regular audits help identify areas for improvement.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.